Hi, you've received your Big Bling package, and so I want to go over what is included in the Big Bling package and how to use it. The first thing you'll find in your Big Bling package is your Big Bling fastener. The Big Bling fastener is heavy duty. It is aluminum. It's very sturdy, so you shouldn't have any issues with this thing breaking. Okay, so the Big Bling fastener comes with the SS40 rhinestone setter already installed. Okay, it's already screwed on, and you should have a rhinestone already sitting in there waiting on you to install it on your shirt, jeans, hats, whatever you choose. You'll have a pair of tweezers. You'll also have a bag of SS30 Big Bling. You'll have a bag of SS40 Big Bling, and you'll have a little baggie with extra parts. Now, these extra parts come with the Big Bling fastener. The thing with this, though, is these are sizes that you kind of won't be using with the SS40 or the SS30. These are either a little bigger than our stones or a little smaller. So if in the future we come out with the larger sizes or the smaller sizes, then you can use these. But for now, these you will just set off to the side because we won't be using those extra parts. Now let's go back to your Big Bling fastener. The fastener, as I mentioned, comes with the SS40 adapter already loaded, but the SS30 adapter should be included in your bag with the SS30 stones. There's the adapter there. Okay, I colored mine green. And then both bags of your Big Bling come with the small metal fasteners that you'll be using in the bottom of the Big Bling fastener. Okay. Now let's go into how this works. So with this one already being loaded with one rhinestone of Big Bling, what you will do is, and again, that's the SS40 adapter that should be pre-installed on the fastener. Okay. So what you would do is open up your packet of SS40 Big Bling if you want to install that one rhinestone that's already preloaded. And then here are your fasteners in a small baggie included in with the Big Bling so that you'll have enough of the Big Bling and the little fasteners that go with them. Okay. They are very small, so please be careful with these. And once you get one out, you can use tweezers to get them out or what have you, but they are quite small. You want to install this in the bottom hole of this fastener with the prongs pointed up, and then the cup of it at the bottom. Okay, so let's take this, and I've dropped it. You will be dropping these, so just be careful. It helps to have a magnet nearby, but we're going to install this prong side up. So all I'm going to do is just drop it in that small hole, and it goes right in there. It's very hard to see. I'm aware of that, but it is in there. And then you want to take your fabric or whatever you're putting your Big Bling on, and you want to lay it on the surface of the bottom section, and then you're going to squeeze your handle and then install your stone. Okay, so again, this is an SS40 Big Bling, and the SS40 adapter is already installed. Now, say for instance, you don't want to install SS40 to start with. That's no worries. We're going to close our pouch back up, and we're going to put these small adapters back in this pouch. And what you want to do is just simply twist off this SS40 adapter. And again, the SS40 adapter should be labeled SS40 on it, on the side. And then we're going to put it in the pouch with our SS40 stones. What that does is that helps us keep up with our SS40 adapter. Now we're going to open the SS30 pouch, pull out the SS30 adapter, and then we're going to install it on our Big Bling fastener. So let's twist it on. Everything is hand twist. You should not need tools to install either one of these size adapters, okay? And so now that your SS30 is installed, then you're going to pull out one of your SS30 stones prior to application and prior to putting in the small metal prong fastener. So we're going to take our stone and we're going to set the stone diamond side up, diamond facing up. And we're just going to rest it on this little platform right here. You're going to just set it there. Okay. Once it's sitting there, you're going to take the handle and squeeze lightly down onto it, lightly, barely, and then pick it up. And what that does is it loads the rhinestone into the top, and it holds on to that rhinestone so that it gives you wiggle room to be able to put this in place when it's time for you to position your fastener in the garment or in the bag or whatever it is that you're using. Now let's open up our prongs baggie, and then we're going to pull out one of the prongs. Okay, and again, you might want to use tweezers to pull one out or whatever you want to use. And then, so now we have our prong fastener. And again, we're going to install, just drop this in the bottom cup of our fastener, and we're going to drop it in prongs facing up. Okay, and once it's in there, you're ready to apply your stone. So again, we're going to take whatever our material is, we're just going to set it on top of the bottom section, and then we're going to squeeze and install it on whatever item it is that we're putting it on. And it's as simple as that. And this is how you use the kit. Again, once you're done, I would close up, make sure that your packages are all closed and sealed, and then drop everything back in there so that you can have access to everything and know where everything is. If you're going to be using primarily one size over the other, then you can just leave that size adapter installed, and then store your items away back in its pouch. Or you can, of course, you can store your items however you wish. But again, I cannot emphasize enough, please be sure to keep up with your metal adapters here that hold the stones, because as of this moment in time, we don't have replacements for these. So if you lose this, you will probably have to get a whole nother kit, because I don't have adapters for these. But in the future, we hope to get access to some that we'll have in the event of something happening to them. But here is your kit, and I hope you thoroughly enjoy embellishing rhinestones in a much faster fashion on your garments and your items. And they're a lot bigger than what we're usually using around here with the hot fix, but it's a lot of fun. It's very pretty, and I look forward to seeing all of the wonderful creations that you guys make with the Big Bling kit. We also do have future sizes and future colors coming in. So just keep your eyes peeled for that. But until then, we hope you have happy blinging with the Big Bling.